It's a menace. This car is just a menace.
What's up guys? So we're back here in another episode. Today we have a special car, a Range Rover SVR that we have installed many units. But this one we are doing a stage 2 tune. It already has our Veleno Catback exhaust with a downpipe. So we are taking it to the dyno at DSG Motorsports. Right now we are just done with the hardware install and the tuning that was done by our partner EM Tune at DSG Motorsports. So stay tuned for the dyno results, and yep, let me bring you over how does the car sound like, what is the pre-tuned sound, what is the after-tune sound, and what horsepower is it pulling right now.
Okay guys, so we are on our way to DSG Motorsports to put this car on dyno to test out what is the horsepower it is actually running on now, since it's already done a stage 2 EM tune.
Let us also take some time to appreciate the carbon interior. There's so much carbon in the interior alone. Look at this middle dash. The side doors, full carbon fiber, very beautiful. All the carbon fiber parts and all the little details in this car. Okay guys, so we are at DSG Motorsports. Let's go right into the dyno. Alright, come have a look guys. So we nearly achieved almost 80 on wheel horsepower. So stock is 481, but on engine it's around 560. But this is on wheel horsepower. So on wheel the stock is 481, and after the EM stage 2 with the hardware and exhaust system, we are able to achieve 562. So that is almost an 80 wheel horsepower upgrade increase. Torque we achieved close to a 60 Newton meter torque increase. So let's bring it to the road, do some flybys, do some launches to let you hear what it actually sounds like.
Alright guys, so we're back at DSG. There you have it. You have looked at the performance increase. You have heard the exhaust upgrade. So stay tuned for more, and see you guys next time.